just felt is YouTube in a nutshell. So what does that mean for you? That means get ready for videos that you've taken hours on to edit, to film, to possibly get 0 views. Get ready for failure after failure after failure after failure. No, but seriously, we are going to get into the truth about YouTube. You think of YouTube, you automatically think money, 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 money. But you have to look at YouTube from a business standpoint. Most YouTube channels don't start making money until a year after their first upload, and many, if not the majority, don't start making money until a year and a half after that first video that's uploaded. So let's get into some stats that shocked me, so I'm sure they're gonna shock you too. Fact number 1, out of all the videos that are uploaded on YouTube daily, only 30% of those videos account for 99% of the views on YouTube. That blew my mind. And that explains why you post a video and you only get 10 views or 15 views or 20 views. Fact number 2, did you know that over 500 hours of content is uploaded every minute to YouTube? Every single minute of the day.
You please join us in a moment of silence.
Bruh.
Fact number 3, the number of subscribers that you have do not equal the views on your video. An example of this would be, you see a video that has thousands of views or even 1 million views on that video, and then you go to their channel page and you see they only have 500 subscribers. Sometimes people subscribe for all different reasons. They may watch one video and they may never return back to your channel. So don't get too bogged down on how many subscribers you have. So if you have 1,000 subscribers, more than likely, you're not gonna have 1,000 views exactly on each video. Fact number 4, only 1% actually make it to having 100,000 subscribers. Fact number 5 is a reality check. That channel that you have been pondering over, if you want to start it, if you don't want to start it, when do I post my first video? Chances are it's not going to be an overnight success. Many of the times that you see those YouTube videos that just blow up or go viral overnight, those are what I'd like to call the unicorns of YouTube. And even though they may seem to be plastered in your face and they give you that false expectation of just blowing up overnight, there are many, many channels that unfortunately don't make the cut. Now I know those stats probably have you feeling a little negative towards you. To get into what I like to call the Tesla of YouTube. T for time, E for effort, S for skills, L for luck, and A for acquiring a niche. 2.3 billion of users log on to YouTube daily. If you put in the Tesla, right? If you put that into your YouTube efforts, you have the chance to succeed on YouTube. So let's get into Tesla. You will need to take time to plan your content in advance. You're going to need to take time out of your day to film, and you're also going to need to take time out of your day to edit. The same way how you know that every day you're going to get up, brush your teeth, take a bath. Well, I hope you're doing that every day. But the same way how you do your everyday task, you want to make sure that this is also included in that schedule, because if you don't have a schedule set, I am telling you, you are setting yourself up for failure. So let's get right into E, which stands for effort. You have to put 100% of effort into consistency. Now ask yourself this: how can you expect someone to sub to you if you can't even be consistent with your own content? Now, I found this out the hard way and I'm still learning, but we are in this together. And definitely take the time right now. Go ahead and join the family and hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get on into the S of Tesla, which stands for skills. Yes, you are going to need a little bit of skills. And when I say skills, I'm talking about camera skills, editing skills, the skill to connect. Sometimes people may not even care so much as of what you're talking about, but just because they like you and just because you have that skill of connecting and letting your personality show through the camera, they're going to want to subscribe and they're going to want to support your content because they will line you up with a happy place. Now, L stands for luck. And I know many of you may be thinking, YouTube's not really so much about luck, but honestly,
I'm sorry, what?
if you upload your video at the right time with the right content and it gets positioned in front of the right audience and you get to tap into the YouTube algorithm, that video is gonna blow up. It may even go viral. Yes, a portion of it does have to do with luck because it's what people were searching for at that time. So just be mindful of positioning your video at the correct time and taking time to do your research, which is going to bring me to the A in Tesla, which is acquiring a niche. Now, I'm not gonna say niche down to the point where you have nowhere to build on your content. That's what you don't want to do. What you do want to do though is find a home. Take the time to actually think about what it is that you want your channel to be about and how you want to impact others. Your channel, yes, it is your channel, but guess what? Without viewers, without people hitting the like, without people hitting that subscribe button, you might as well just be talking to yourself. YouTube is for the people. It's for that person that is behind the camera that is watching your content. Is it good enough that they're going to want to share it with a friend? Is it boring where they only watch 30 seconds of that video? You have to get to a point where it's something that you're passionate about, but you're also feeding the algorithm. And what does the algorithm do? It is for the people. What are people searching? What are they interested in? Are they watching your video for a long amount of time? Are they staying on the YouTube platform for video after video after video watching your content? Can you succeed in 2021 with a YouTube video? Of course you can. You do need to make a decision before you start YouTube. You need to decide, am I doing YouTube as a business where I'm looking to become monetized, get brand deals, get sponsorships, and actually make money on this platform? Or have fun and to share my message? Once you make that decision, I promise you, you will set the correct expectation for your channel and great things will happen. Do you have what it takes? Until next time.